Hello guys, maybe I will be a higher Nyantechi TV. My imagine said the be many updates from Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp at the Bebro. We a video I watch a year team no I free Ghana call South Africa. Na mukoko ball in the Toyota Cup no, and a team no SA returning Abagana no. The patcho found some boss subscribe button no so. Am I now subscribe to this channel? Not time be need to be for updates and from bro baby be a way players no and police MOMO escort no from hotel. I do more Ecokodai Protea Hotel. I wore Durban and police for a duo many more do more ban. Now as I said, South Africa, in fact, or more advanced papa. Now real more road network a quite monam so lead to or more airport now. It is so nice. F papa anti Kumasi Asante Kotoko airport Ken Shaka Airport I war Durban a honum na police for Emma Kotoko escort na omokono na eho and omoko akoye transit afa bi everyone mako Johannesburg enti mrantie no na onse a police for edio manuma yede omo aircon na in fact mrantie no ayade papa omotimi awini trophies makoma miensa na ya winnie the President Cup winnie the FA Cup as I'm waiting me mani akwaje the Toyota Cup to Madru Kinshaka Airport I was Durban South Africa a home pona near the capital city no here airport na ewo na odim ze F papa anti players no na omo abidru on ma enche bi omo checking in na omasanso afa bidie free Durban eye Kinshaka na yedia call Oliver Reginald Tambo Airport ewo Johannesburg and go for friend OR Tambo Airport Oliver Reginald Tambo Airport now here mrante na unza still na no awo edi womo the weather in South Africa na enye easy. It was not easy at all. And mede de bia meka say ye be ball maba so papa free say econom kokon na enye easy say we free Ghana ye hot weather Accra ya na temperature de ka say they see weather no emu kra boko akọhwe mpo na bi kra 24 and 23 and say we move away now go to baby I even say 13 and na ye even 12 and 11 and you could imagine now you can imagine say enye easy nti emrantie no na fabi area free aye Kinshaka enka Ghana ha bia mefa say omoba baby ti se Kumasi nti go move free prempe the first free fabi dia kwakusi efa say enka baby ti se Kotoka ansa na omato aso akọ nti emrantie no na ohun say omo etima ye do omo free Kinshaka na ye do omo ko Oliver Reginald Tambo Airport I was Johannesburg a honum no more year transit. It's not easy journey in there very stressful. The journey was not easy at all because na me kra na me kase omoba be drew na me yad no be do Accra minim se management be mo mada ana sa na dwono mo be drew no ye be san so ama police di o manim no mo every Accra Kumasi, but you know, driving on Accra Kumasi highway at night, na SMP ebi honma ubonse tracks no the access no a packet along the stretch of the road. I man ye very risky. Pro crowd drive one ajwa na ehupa VIPs ni bebre na ti bi ba benya ka kwanhia ewo a friend say kwano so ti media keka menkwa our advocate say for Emma players na our team no and rest in Accra to this night and adri o mabedri nanka wo mo emboabo mo na your friend say o mo ntimi mra Kumasi the next day And the players no Ababi drew Oliver Tambo. Oliver Aro O Tambo Reginald Oliver Tambo Airport. Johannesburg. Screen no no into be a now to the airport national. It is very big. Near Kotoka the Enibia. The players no na said the South Africa for see do more time so no and this Ghana had ma the bia normal slow na indi time so the way no one can who won't mean catch our flight into you see how players na yen intentament nante akọ form gate now they are check in they no more yen check in no more yen Oliver Tambo na we Omako Akofa flight air connected from Johannesburg to Accra. I think so my formality into Monam Tunnel Nima Omoko plane him now Omako Akofa airplane no normal headed straight back to Accra and Kwame Pukuna etiwono and Auchi any players nibi and Omuyi no man on this new signing and some of these guys and Omo Ebo Monenti playing the A2 from Johannesburg Edomo ba Accra. I think from Johannesburg to Accra is about 5 hours. It's not easy. And also no to play in the A2 and I was South Africa. I think South Africa for Lady Ghana 2 hours in time I no more free or number or more na Adiasa more eba the time be obedu Ghana biano difference no in South Africa lead 2 hours 2 hours difference and the airplane na enche be take you off and time mark no so aircon and the Kumasi Asante Kotoko players no and I hear when him say onyame adoma sabri no mo enyam bedu mo wiem na nti wo hwa enche bia na chese omo altitude no 207 na ewo screen so no enche bia na chese omo ya lande ewo Kotoka International Airport. Enti omaya dear, we must commend the team for Niomoya Yano to her. It is they are almost in Accra. Not just a baby airplane, era and crying as another say omo air drew. Very stressful, but it was well fit. Omaya dear. You know, we are all going to play in the same competition. So therefore, Utiminya, a team like Kaiser Chiefs now on even in his home ground, found a weather no Nase Mutimino Mode is Sienia Nachase and easy. Players na baby do kotoka. Ahadi no mababi dua or her yeah announcer say more faster no seat belt and jebia play no ABC form enti omo ababi drew and NG asho mu nyina ama enti order for high nyantashi TV that also said they bia one yen and wo hwe yen yankopon share subscribe to this channel na kwaso follow Kotoko nyame share me that